Open the document that you need. We have a document with different paragraph, texts, and links, so you can see better how any theme will look in the document. Go to Design tab at the top tools bar. Click on the Themes option at the top left corner of the tools bar. You will see a list of the available options. If you hover over the theme, you will see a preview in the text. You can see how some parts of the document change style, color, fonts, etc. Click on the style that you want to apply to the document. You can also edit the elements of the chosen theme. Go to Document Formatting at the top tools bar. Click on the title styles to see how they will change. Click on the style that you like to apply it to the document. Click on the arrow to see the full list of available styles. Next up is Colors option. Click on it. You will see a list of available color palettes. Choose the theme color palette from the list. You can see the colors in the document have changed. Next up is Fonts option. If you don't like the theme fonts, choose the new font from the list. Click on it to apply it to the document. If you need to add a watermark, go to Page Background Block. Click on Watermark option. Choose the watermark style from the list. Click on it to apply it to the document. You can also add a custom watermark. Click on Watermark option at the tools bar and choose Custom Watermark from the list. You can add picture watermark or a text watermark. Let's do the text watermark. Choose the language of the watermark from the dropout list. Add the watermark text. Change the font if you want to. Go to Size and choose the watermark size from the list. Click on Color to choose the color of the watermark. If you want the watermark to be semi-transparent, check the option. You can also change the layout of the watermark, diagonal or horizontal. Click on Apply and OK once you're done. Next option is Page Color. Click on it at the top tools bar. Choose the page color from the list. The last option we'll talk about is Page Borders. Click on it at the top tools bar. A new window will open. Choose the setting of the border. Choose the border style. Change the color and width of the border. Click OK.